Hi everyone, this is Chief Charpri. Thank you for stopping by at Lowyat.net YouTube video. I'm pretty sure you are excited to see what we have here. The brand new Sony PlayStation 5. So, without further ado, let's unbox it. In case you didn't notice, this particular version that we have here is the standard PlayStation 5 because it has a disk drive there. This disk drive is for the Ultra HD Blu-ray disc and of course PS5 game disc. The other version, which is the digital edition, doesn't have that drive. In Malaysia, the standard PlayStation 5 is priced at RM2299, while the diskless digital edition can be obtained if there's stocks for RM1869. So enough chit chat, let's jump in. You can see the box is really tall because the console itself is also quite tall. So the first thing that we'll encounter when we open the box is oh, bit tough to take out. Well, another box. Of course, what do you expect? Okay, let's put this aside. So, let's check out what's inside this long box. Alright. Okay, of course. The first thing, this is really important. If you open your own PS5 and you don't see it, you better return it to where you bought it. Ding. It's the equally new DualSense wireless controller, and of course in matching colorway. Right. So what's next? Of course, the USB cable. For the DualSense controller, it is actually equipped with the USB-C port. So naturally, the USB cable that Sony has included together with the PS5 is a USB-C cable, although it's not USB-C to USB-C, instead it's a USB-A to USB-C. Right. So moving on, power cable. The one that inside our package is a 3-prong cable. Next is the quick start guide. If you buy one, please, we insist, please read it. Okay, then there's also the safety guide. Read it too. There's another compartment inside this box. This is interesting actually. For each PlayStation 5, Sony has also included a free stand. So what made the PS5 stand rather interesting is the fact that it is designed for both horizontal and vertical position. If you can recall, the PS4 stand, which you have to buy separately, are only designed for vertical position because PS4 doesn't have any problem to be positioned horizontally because it has a flat body. Not PS5. You can see from the picture online, in our report, and of course in the box itself, PS5 have a curved body. If you prefer to put the console on the table, for example like horizontally, you definitely need to use the free stand that Sony has included with it. As for the vertical position, this stand will allow the PS5 to have a more stable foundation. Not only that, the PS5 stand actually have a secret compartment here, especially for the vertical position, because here is a screw that you can insert at the base of the console together with the stand. Not only that, there's also a place for you to store the cover for a screw hole of PS5. This will show how thoughtful the designers and engineers over there at Sony. Right, so let's put back the screw here, or else it will go missing. So we are down to the last content of the box, which is a HDMI cable. Right. So what's next? Of course, it's the console itself. It's quite huge, so it takes a bit of effort to take it out. Ta-da! Yep, take out the bumper. Then the wrapping. So yep, there you have it. The PlayStation 5. Oh my god, it's really heavy. Oh yeah. It's not that heavy. It's for the standard edition, it's actually around 4 kilograms. The digital edition maybe slightly under 4 kilo. So again, nevertheless, it's quite an absolute unit. So, one of the most talked about feature of PS5 is its speed. In fact, Sony has put it right here as one of the 3 main promises of the console. There, lightning speed. So, as part of our quick look, I'm going to show you how fast can you get into a game right from the console being turned off. So there you have it, a quick look at the brand new PlayStation 5. So as mentioned earlier, the standard edition of PS5 is priced at 2,299 here in Malaysia, while the digital edition, which doesn't come with the disc drive, is priced at 1,869. Meanwhile, please stay tuned for more contents regarding PlayStation 5 here at Lowyat.net YouTube channel, as well as our main page at www.lowyat.net. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that we can notify you whenever we release a new video. So this is Chief Chapri. Thank you for tuning in and see you next time.